Hello everyone, my name is Charlie McGrady and this is an introductory video to RGBe, a dynamic presentation platform that I created for my senior capstone at USC. RGB essentially integrates YouTube, Vimeo, Mapbox, Plotly, and many other multimedia sources or creative labs on the web in one presentation platform. So essentially you can string together videos and images and text and maps and data visualizations to really fully express yourself online. So this video is essentially going to take you through how to actually use the website, and maybe at the end I'll get to maybe some more just kind of high-level reasons why I think the site needs to exist. So first and foremost, this RGB logo up here, if you click on it, that toggles the kind of options that you have in create mode. So if you notice we're at RGB code/create, there's also RGB code/present, which doesn't have this side toggle menu. Just simply because for presentations you don't really need to edit the presentation. But when you're in create mode, this is where you're going to find all of the data input and the different presentation actions and the ability to create different slides. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave that open. Next, to actually navigate the site, you scroll up and down, or you can press the down and up arrow keys. So I'm going to start scrolling on my computer, and if you see the slides kind of blend together and they transition as you scroll up and down, so I'm just scrolling up and down on my computer. Since I'm doing screen capture, I can't press the down and up arrow keys, but those will incrementally go down slide by slide, so that could be useful if you're actually presenting, to people or whatnot. So to go ahead and create a blank presentation, you can just go ahead and click on Clear Presentation down there in the bottom left-hand corner. Okay. So now I have a blank presentation. So first of all, I'll just show you how to create a text slide. So if you see in this Add Slide text box menu right there, you can select the type of slide that you want to create. So I'm going to go ahead and select text. Next, I'm just going to type in some text, hello, and add the slide. And if you can see, the slide was just added to the presentation. Okay, so now let me show you how to embed stuff, because this is where I think it gets pretty cool. So say that we go to Vimeo and we found a video, let's just see, time-lapse. Okay, so here's a time-lapse montage. And once it loads. Okay, so every Vimeo video, and YouTube has this as well, I believe it's just under the video right here. But every Vimeo video has this share option. So if you click on the share option, you see you're given an embeddable iframe. Okay? So to embed this player in the site, what you're going to want to do is just copy that whole iframe in. And I'm adding a video, so I'm going to select a video. And I just copy the whole embed link. And if you see, the video automatically gets added to your slide. So you don't need to parse it or anything. The key is just finding websites. Any website that gives you an iframe that you can embed into something, you can embed into your presentation. So I'll just go through a couple more examples. Let's see. Let's go to soundcloud.com. Go find some hot bangers on my repost. Okay, let's see. So this is a song that I've been feeling recently. If you see here, you have the option to embed. So we want to click on that, and if you see the exact same thing, we're given an iframe, code and preview. Just go ahead and copy and paste that into the site. One second. We can just embed this as a video. Add the slide. And if you can see, now the SoundCloud is automatically embedded in there, including with the text and the video that we had before. So currently, for photos, I just am using Flickr. I'd like to actually add the ability for you to upload your own photos, but Flickr was just kind of the easiest for now. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to embed let's see, here's like a Grantland article. So it's a little difficult with Flickr. Probably the workflow that you're going to want to have is to create a Flickr account and upload videos to the Flickr itself, and then embed those as entire albums. Unfortunately, I don't really have the functionality for just individual images yet. But I'll make a separate video showing how to really integrate with Flickr. It's actually pretty nice that I've integrated on top of Flickr because you have a terabyte of storage on Flickr, which is also a terabyte of storage of photos that you can integrate into your RGB presentations. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click on this arrow right here, I believe. And if you see, I'm given the iframe right there. And I'll just go ahead and add this PowerPoint presentation, or not presentation, picture slideshow directly into the site. So the reason why with Flickr I gave that little caveat is just that a lot of these videos, and you might find this with Vimeo and stuff, sometimes people upload stuff publicly and don't want it shared. So just keep in mind that you see right here, I'm not able to embed this just because of the presentation or because of the security concerns that the people had. So yeah, nothing. Just go ahead and probably just save photos and upload them to your own account so you can control the privacy of presentations. So now the exciting part. Say you're finished with a presentation and you want to publicly share it. You want to, send it to your grandma, or you've created a presentation that you want to be able to refer to later on. Say that when you're presenting in front of a group of people. With RGBe, all you have to do is press Publish Presentation in the presentation actions, and you will be given a unique URL that you can refer to, hopefully forever, that has captured this moment in time for this presentation that you've created. So I'm going to go ahead and publish the presentation. My presentation link here seems to be rgb.co/present/pound20. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that. You want to go ahead and copy that. Let's see. If we go there, you can see now that my presentation has been embedded. Note that it says present instead of create. What that means is that you don't have the side edit panel right here. And just of note, you see the 20. Essentially, I'm indexing presentations as they get higher and higher. So you're going to want to go ahead and just kind of note, that that's how they're indexed. Eventually, I want to string them together. I want to do a lot of really exciting things. So go ahead and go to rgp.co/create. And please use the site, create hopefully like very exciting stories that you can express online. And if you have any feedback at all, please email rgb.administrator@gmail.com. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and thanks for using RGB.